Hey y'all, Mike here, and today I want to talk about air quality appliances. Things like air purifiers, dehumidifiers, humidifiers, and I'll even throw space heaters in there even though they don't necessarily deal with air quality. These are obviously small appliances that a lot of people have around their homes, offices, and other spaces, myself included. So you really want something high quality that's going to last a long time. And fortunately, there's a lot of good American-made options across all of these categories. Now, I want to throw in a disclaimer that much like other home appliance categories, it's pretty much impossible to find manufacturers that are not only assembling all of their appliances in the US, but are also sourcing 100% of their raw materials from US suppliers. So a lot of the brands that I'm mentioning in today's video are assembling all of their air quality appliances in the US with a mix of domestically sourced components as well as some internationally sourced components that are just honestly tough to find from US suppliers. Now, per usual, we also have written write-ups on everything I'm walking through today, which includes a lot more brands than I'm mentioning in today's video just for the sake of time, and a lot of other resources to help you along when you're shopping for these American-made appliances. So links to all of that stuff is in the description below. All right, so let's get into all of these great American-made brands. I'm gonna go category by category through all the stuff I mentioned at the top of the video, starting with air purifiers. First up in air purifiers is Austin Air Systems. Austin Air Systems is based in Buffalo, New York, and has been one of the leaders in the air purifier industry since 1990. Their air purifiers are designed to remove a lot of airborne contaminants, including dust and pollen, and are just generally known for being super durable and high quality. They have a wide range of options to choose from, both for your home as well as your office, so check out their website if you're interested in some of the products that they offer. Next up is EnviroCleanse. These guys are based in Fort Myers, Florida, and actually got their start working with the Department of Defense to neutralize hazardous chemicals. Fast forward to today, and they now offer a wide range of products that remove toxins from more everyday environments. Again, EnviroCleanse has some good options for both residential and commercial setups, so check out their website for all of the different models that they offer that are made in the US. Next up in air purifiers is Oronzi. This company is based in Radford, Virginia, and they actually only have a couple of models that are assembled in the US, so tread carefully when you're looking through all of their products on their website. But what they do offer American assembled is really high quality, and they're actually working on reshoring a lot of their manufacturing back to the States too, which we love to see. All right, let's move on to dehumidifiers and talk about Santa Fe Indoor Air Quality Solutions. Their name's a bit of a mouthful, but they are based in Madison, Wisconsin, and have a lot of great dehumidifiers for both homes and offices. Everything's manufactured in-house in Wisconsin, and they really specialize in crawl space and whole home dehumidifiers. So those are obviously going to help you control moisture in those areas, improve air quality, and all of their units are also really energy efficient. Next up in dehumidifiers is Dri-Z-Air. Funny name on these guys, but they're based in Redmond, Oregon, and they make smaller dehumidifiers for small spaces like RVs, boats, or your basement. And what's unique about these guys is they're non-electric. They actually use highly concentrated natural salt to absorb the excess moisture in the air. This is obviously a super budget-friendly as well as eco-friendly alternative to your electric dehumidifiers. So if you're looking for something down that alley, or if you just need a dehumidifier in a space where you just don't have a plug, these guys are a really good option. Next up is Aprilaire. Aprilaire is also based in Wisconsin. They're actually a subdivision of Research Products Corporation, and they make dehumidifiers for whole homes, basements, as well as crawl spaces. They really focus on energy efficiency as well as integration with your whole home HVAC system. So if you want something that's going to be more integrated with everything else that you have around the home, check out Aprilaire. All right, let's get to humidifiers and talk about Air Care. Air Care is based in Little Rock, Arkansas, and specializes in whole home evaporative humidifiers. A lot of their units have customizable humidity settings, and they also have filters to catch any impurities that come through the air. Next up is Vornado. These folks are based in Andover, Kansas, and are a pretty well-known brand that also makes not just humidifiers, but things like air purifiers and fans as well. Now, not all Vornado products are made in the US. They actually only have one evaporative humidifier that's made here, but it's a really good model, so definitely encourage y'all to check that out. And they also offer some other made in the US products as well. They have a dedicated page on their website for all of their made in the US products, so it's super easy to browse. And if you need something like a small fan for your desk, office, or your bedroom, they have a lot of American-made options, so check out Vornado for those products as well. Next up is Condor. Condor is a small manufacturer based in North Carolina that is known for their wood stove humidifiers. These humidifiers operate without electricity, using heat from the wood stove to evaporate water and release humidity into the air. So if you want something a little bit more natural, plus a wood stove in your living room is kind of a nice touch too, these guys are a great option. All right, now let's move on to space heaters. First up is King Electric, based in Seattle, Washington. These guys got started in 1958 and specialize in both space heaters for residential and commercial uses, as well as a lot of other air quality products. They're a family-owned business. All of their units are really energy efficient, and they do a lot of products around temperature control for your home as well. Next up is SunHeat. SunHeat's based in Nebraska and has been a family-owned business since 1954. They offer a wide variety of products, everything from infrared heaters to air purifiers and fireplaces. Their infrared heaters are entirely made in the US using American wood as well, so definitely check them out for some of their infrared options. eHeat is another good option that's based in Houston, Texas, and is really known for their flat wall-mounted heaters. Now, not all of their models are made in the US. Based on our research, check out the ENVI model, ENVI, for their American-made option. Next up is Infratech Heaters, based in Sacramento, California. This company has over 50 years of experience and makes infrared heating solutions for outdoor spaces. Nearly every component that goes into their infrared heating systems is manufactured in their Southern California facility, which is really great. So if you need a heating option for your patio or your restaurant outdoor space or something like that, definitely check these guys out. Next up is Space Ray. Space Ray has been making infrared radiant gas heating products in Charlotte, North Carolina since the mid-1900s. Their heaters are commonly used in factories, warehouses, and garages, so if you need a really durable option for more of a commercial space, definitely check these guys out. And then the last brand I'll mention in this category is Sunfire Heaters. Sunfire Heaters is based in Janesville, Wisconsin, and makes really solid, portable, gas-powered heaters. They're made with super heavy-duty steel and are designed to be really quiet as well as odorless, which is typically a common concern for folks who are looking into the more fuel-powered systems and wondering if it's going to be an issue from a smell perspective. But these guys definitely have that figured out, and you shouldn't need to worry about any sort of odor coming off of these heaters. So if you're really looking for that more rugged, durable, gas-powered option, Sunfire is one to look into. Alrighty, y'all, that was a lot to cover in this one, but we did it, and we got a lot more research on allamerican.org for y'all to check out. Again, links in the description below to those articles, and make sure to leave a comment with any questions or suggestions that y'all have. As always, thanks for supporting your country and shopping American made. See y'all next time.